guys! Welcome back to my channel. Yep, and I'm back with a travel vlog. So today is October 29 and time check, it's 7:20 and andito na ako sa Davao Airport. Yep, you heard it right. I'll be traveling solo again and I'll be going to South Cebu. Yay! So kahit mag-isa lang ako, I'm really excited. So kaya naman guys, without further ado, samahan nyo ako sa adventure na ito in 3, 2, 1.
I'll be dreaming. 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 I'll be dreaming.
So I'm really excited about this solo travel, solo trip thingy. So mag-isa lang ako, kayang-kaya ko to, and it's my first time to roam around Cebu. Yep. And time check, it's 3:45 from my flight na 10:15 in the morning. Then it was moved to 2:15 ng hapon. So I have no choice. I think naghintay ako ng around 6 hours sa Davao Airport bago makarating dito sa Cebu. So next step na gagawin ko is hanap ko ng taxi papuntang South Bus Terminal. So yan lang gagawin ko ngayon. So that's it for now. See you later. Bye! So I'm here now at South Bus Terminal. Problema ngayon is hindi ko alam kung saan ako sasakay. Pero anyway, so kayang-kaya ko na to. Hello! So, I'll be heading to Moalboal. Mag-isa lang ako, hindi ko masyadong kabisado yung lugar. Pero anyway, so, ayan. Hi guys! Ayan, so pararating ko lang dito sa Moalboal. It's not Moalboal, it's Moalboal. Yeah, so yan yung sabi ni Kuya, isa sa natanong ko dun sa terminal. And andito na ako sa aking room. Ayan, so dito ako dinala ni Kuya Rio. Si Kuya Rio, siya yung aking tour guide driver for tomorrow's activity, which is ang canyoneering. And dito niya ako dinala sa Talisay Point. And kung napapansin nyo, 2 bed siya. But then, ako lang mag-isa. And kung maramihan, the rate here is 400 pesos. But since ako nga lang naman mag-isa, so the rate is 800 pesos. Not bad. Ayan, so room tour tayo guys. Ayan, so may 2 bed siya. Tapos, may CR na. Ayan, CR! Tada! Mawawala ba naman? Ayan. Since it's 9 in the evening na, itong dinner ko ngayon. Ayan. Cup noodles with Eto din. Actually, this is sandwich, guys. Since it's gabi na rin, 9 in the evening. So, may dala talaga akong cup noodles, pampalipas gutom. And ito, it's a sandwich. Ginawa ko siya kaninang umaga bago ako umalis ng Davao. It's a wheat bread, loaf bread, yeah, like that. And then cheese. So, ayun, at least para tipid-tipid na rin. Whenever maabutan ako ng gutom, hindi ko na kailangan pang mag-stop over sa isang restaurant or sa isang kainan para bumili. Ayan. So, yep, nakakapagod yung biyahe. Woo! Grabe.
One step lang.